Dad. Today is a special day because I am baking with Dad. We already have all the ingredients. It's important to choose them carefully. Let's start. Crack the eggs. Ouch! Then add the sugar. Woohoo! And now mix, mix. Shake, shake. Whisk, whisk. Next, flour. Lots of it. Achoo! Then we need butter and milk, right? We'll need lots of fruit to finish off our creation. Be patient. Let the magic begin. Time to decorate. Ding dong. Quick, quick. Ta-da! Happy birthday. Wow, what a cake. Dad, are we going to bake again next week? Excellent job, readers. The end. And as always, please remember to subscribe. Also, please visit our website at itsreadingtimekids.org and check out our new merchandise. Thank you.